Welcome to Star Biker. Today, we are taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda Shine 125, a commuter motorcycle designed for daily reliability, efficiency, and comfort. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 carries a clean and mature design with refreshed graphics and subtle chrome accents. Its sleek fuel tank, stylish headlamp, and well-finished body panels give it a premium yet practical road presence. Engine and performance. Powering the Shine 125 is a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth acceleration and low vibrations. It delivers consistent performance for city rides while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for everyday commuting. Ride comfort and handling. With a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and well-balanced suspension, the 2026 Shine 125 ensures a relaxed ride even on longer daily journeys. The lightweight chassis helps in easy handling through traffic. Features and safety. The bike comes equipped with modern essentials such as an efficient braking system, reliable tires, and improved stability. These features enhance rider confidence and make the Shine 125 a dependable choice for all riders. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 continues to be a strong option in the commuter segment, offering a blend of durability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. It's a smart choice for riders looking for a trustworthy daily motorcycle.